Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share tutorial about how to add energy effect on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit, this one, and click add at the bottom. Now, I will show you this is the original video like this. But now I wanna add the energy effect. Just click on the effect at the bottom, click video effect, and at the menu in here you can click or you can swipe until you can see variety, this one, variety. And now you can swipe down until you can see energy, this one. Click on it and click check icon. Now set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add energy effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.